Well, we definitely had a little bit of frost this morning, so I'm glad I covered some of the stuff. Can't cover everything, but we do what we can do. See that? All the frost, mostly on the mulch. It's gonna get colder tonight, unfortunately, so we'll cover the blueberries later. Alright, it's gonna be a little bit colder tonight than yesterday. I lost a lot of blueberries last year due to a frost one night. So let's cover this up. Just gonna need some plastic, maybe some staples, probably a tarp, because you don't have enough plastic. See, I forget to cover one thing. Did not make it overnight, really. I always forget how this plant smells like cat pee. Salvia. There's one pretty flower.